Thank you very much for those very kind and generous remarks. I wish I could be there with all of you in Las Vegas this morning, but I'm pleased that you would allow me to participate by way of this video. It's an incredible honor to be selected as this year's recipient of the American Inns of Court Bankruptcy Inns Alliance's Distinguished Service Award, and one for which I'm deeply appreciative. And to think that I may have met the Inn's high standard of dedication to professionalism and civility in the legal profession is humbling indeed, as I know of no greater recognition to which a judge or a lawyer could aspire. And I believe that it's most appropriate that this presentation take place at the annual meeting of the National Conference of Bankruptcy Judges. For since my very first day on the bench in 1964, like many of you, I've tried to contribute what I could to improving the status of bankruptcy judges, as well as the bankruptcy system in general. As an aside, it occurred to me that you might be interested in a rather what I think to be a significant historical fact, one of which some of you may not be aware. The year was 1973. I had the privilege of serving as president of the NCBJ that year, and our annual conference was held in Atlanta. A few weeks prior to our meeting, after a considerable effort, I might add, on the part of some of us, the Judicial Conference's Committee on Bankruptcy Rules changed the title of the judicial officer who presides over the bankruptcy court from referee in bankruptcy to bankruptcy judge. So as you might expect, immediately thereafter, in a meeting of the executive committee of the conference in my office in Atlanta, we changed the name of this organization from the National Association of Referees in Bankruptcy to the present name of National Conference of Bankruptcy Judges. That was in 1973, 5 years before the statutory change contained in the Bankruptcy Reform Act of 1978, and was the very first annual meeting to be held under the present name of the National Conference of Bankruptcy Judges. I thought you might be interested in this little bit of history. So thank you again to the American Inns of Court Bankruptcy Inns Alliance for this very special honor, certainly one which I shall always cherish. Thank you so much.